Belonging builds energy, the body remembers. Belonging builds energy, your body remembers. You ever notice that? There are days where sleep helps, supplements help, good food helps. But then there's those moments when you're part of something bigger and your whole system shifts. Your shoulders drop, your breath gets deeper, your mind feels clearer. It's like your body says, "Oh, I'm not carrying everything alone." That's what I want to talk about today. If we haven't met, I'm Claudette Eames, and I help the mature age community rebuild calm and strength after life's heavy seasons. And today I'm coming to you with a full heart because I just finished walking in the Greer Christmas parade with the Rotary Club while Christina and Corbin were with their Cub Scout troop. Um, the cold didn't matter, the crowds didn't matter. There was something powerful about being surrounded by people who showed up with purpose. Just, just to be a part, to be included, and to bring happiness and cheer to the people who are sitting on the sidelines, just waiting for all the floats and everybody to walk by, and the bands and all the things, right? You know, energy is a funny thing. We think it only comes from sleep or vitamins or doing all the right things. But this afternoon, I'm reminded of something really important. There's a type of energy that comes from belonging, from standing side by side with other people who care, from being part of something that isn't just about you, but it includes you. When I was walking with the Rotary Club and I saw Corbin and Christina with their troop, it hit me. My whole nervous system softened, my shoulders relaxed, my pace felt lighter. Not because the day was easy. It wasn't. It was cold out. But because connection gives the body a kind of strength you can't manufacture alone. You just can't. And as someone who spent years rebuilding my inside out, outside in strength, today felt like a reminder of what the body holds onto and what it responds to. Let me explain what I mean in simple terms. Your nervous system doesn't just respond to stress, it responds to support. When you're surrounded by people, your body gets signals of safety. Safety allows the system to reset. Belonging is biological. One of the ingredients I talk about often, L-theanine, works because it supports the calm from the inside. Connection works the same way from the outside. Your body recognizes it, it remembers it. Community restores energy, it doesn't just drain it. So many people think they're exhausted because of age, but a lot of exhaustion is actually disconnection. The weight of carrying everything by yourself. And when you finally experience a moment of belonging, whether it's a parade, a team, a community, or a project you build alongside others, your system shifts from survival into steady strength. So if you're listening today and you felt more drained than usual, or you've been trying to fix your energy with sleep or food or supplements alone, just know this. You weren't meant to do life in isolation. Your nervous system isn't built that way. Belonging is real, it's safe, it's meaningful, and belonging is natural medicine. And if you're craving that steadier energy, that lifted feeling, the sense of, I'm not doing this alone, I've got something for you. Send me the word support, and I'll give you a simple behind the scenes look, a sneak peek at the community, the tools, and the system I use to help me rebuild my own energy and calm from the ground up. There's no pressure, just a doorway if you need one, right here. And again, I'm Claudette Eames, and you know, just take a peek. I look forward to talking to you, talking with you. um, Thank you.